folks. Today, let's practice our alternate picking using this boogie pattern. Playing over a 3-chord jam in the key of A, you know, A, D, and E. Okay? But we're going to do this boogie pattern. And it's just really going to be a down, up. Every time, every note change is going to be a down, up. Eventually it'll start feeling really symmetrical. You can kind of get it flying once you get going. A few days, a few weeks. Okay, let's go over the pattern here. Okay, so we're in the key of A. That's what it's gonna sound like for the A. It's gonna have the 1, the 3, the 5, the 6, and the flat 7. Okay, and then reverse it. Okay, so we're gonna be at the 6th string, 5th fret, 5th string, 4th fret, 5th string, 7th fret, pinky, 4th string, 4th fret, 4th string, 5th fret, 2nd finger, back to index. Okay, back to the 7th fret of the 5th string, back to the 4th fret of the 5th string, and then back to the 6th string, 5th fret for the A. See, I'm doing a down up for every new note. Okay, you're gonna do it like that, twice for A, twice over the A chord. Remember, it's A, D, and E. So when we finish, you'll see you're going to be at that major third before you go to your new notes, before you go to your D and do the same pattern. Okay, so in A so far. Okay, you can see how you're on that fourth fret of that 5th string to end it, and then you just go with the middle finger to the D. And I'm going to start our new pattern. We're only going to do 1 in D, so. So that's 5th string, 5th fret, 4th string, 4th fret, 4th string, 7th fret, 3rd string, 4th fret, and then 5th fret, middle finger, reverse it. So for D, you're ending up on that D's major third. Skip over string back to A now. Okay, just 1 and 1 back in A. So far it's 2 in A. 1 in D. Back to 1 in A. Okay, you're ending up there on the 5th string, 4th fret with the index. Now, switch over to the middle finger, up to the E, 7th fret, 5th string. And we're only going to have time for 4 notes for E. For E and then back down to D. It's 4 notes each. So we got 7th fret of the 5th string. We're on the 6th fret of the 4th string. 9th fret of the 4th string. That's the 1, 3, 5 so far in E. Okay, and then we got the 3rd string at the 6th fret. That's all we have time for, and then we take it down a whole step. That's all we'll have time for in D now. We're going to stop at that 6th degree of the scale, okay? And then we'll skip back over to A. Okay, this time we're going to end it with the octave. Not end it, but you know what I mean. Instead of the flat 7, we're going to go straight for the octave A, which is at the 7th fret of the 4th string, D string. And then reverse that one, okay? So here's that final one, where I'll do it from coming down from the E. You see what I'm saying? On the very very final one, instead of going to that flat 7 again, we're just going to go to another root. And we're going to start the whole thing over again, okay? So it's really good practice because it's just down, up for each note, and you're going through different strings, different strings, okay? So anyway, crank one out here. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. So having some fun, have fun cranking them out, practicing that down, up, the alternate picking, using an actual boogie, an actual piece of music, and within a few weeks you'll be doing something like that. All right, folks. Riffs Unlimited, the endless riffer, okay? Hasta luego. Next time.